A little fun fact. If you take the Japanese letters or characters, and use the English alphabet, it spells A-M-A-N-E, or Amane. And if you translate this into English, it means heavenly rain. Amane in Japanese literally means heavenly rain, and delivers an experience to match. So where is the Amane Heavenly Rain Shower Head made? Amane was born in the land of the rising sun near Mount Fuji outside Tokyo, and was invented by OMCO East Japan, an innovative water filtration and bottled water company established over 45 years ago. Since the 9th of March 1974, OMCO East Japan has been committed to developing quality, innovative, water and eco-conscious related products, including water purifiers, filters, showers and Mount Fuji bottled water, eco-friendly spa tablets, and world-renowned Imabari organic cotton towels. OMCO look for new innovative solutions that harness the power of water yet stay in harmony with nature and the world around us. Water is a vital source of life. It is important that we protect this natural resource and find more ways to live in harmony with nature. OMCO products offer more choices for everyday life that aim to be both kind to you and kind to the environment. Water has many amazing properties, and OMCO have developed a new brand, Amane Heavenly Rain, to bring more innovative solutions to market that you can enjoy every day.